at me like, what? He's always natural.
What?
All right, so you said you put the whole can in?
Yeah, the whole can's in there.
The whole can went in that fast?
The whole can went in that fast. So you got to figure, you got a 3/8 hose.
And she sucked it in fast?
She sucked it in quick. I'm surprised I didn't try to stall out more than what it did.
So she really sucks.
Yeah, she really sucks. Now we got to get it to blow, and that'd be even...
Oh, remember we're PG-13. No, nobody got that.
No.
What
I'm talking about the turbo. You know, when you slap that turbo or supercharger, whatever you want to put on there, then it's blown.
Thanks, Rich. We got an exhaust leak. It was terrible. I mean, I looked over, at Rich. I didn't catch it on video. It smokes all around him because it's coming out from underneath. We're gonna have to deal with that. What do you think? You think that was pretty bad? You think it's the manifold? Damn.
Well, you got two manifold, right?
Yeah, I think it's a 6.
So it's probably this side.
I don't want to take the manifold off. Maybe it's the manifold. It's probably the manifold gasket in between the pipe. It's stainless steel, so it's not rusting. Add that to the list on the 2000 Mustang. All right, I've been shooting about 7,500 videos, actually more like 10,000, and Rich has gone full-blown director. You even look like a director from Tractor Supply. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this. He set this whole can.
And we're ready to go.
Are you shooting right now?
I'm shooting right now.
It's on right now?
It's on right now.
Oh, I've never been videoed while I'm videoing.
And you can actually see yourself on mine.
Stay there, Rich, so I can see you. You're right. I can see you. So Rich just embraces things, and all of a sudden he just shows up with like this whole camera setup, which of course I want. And he's like, "You're going to become a director?"
Yeah, let's go.
All right. So we're going to go get in the car, and we're going to get on her, and she's going to smoke a lot. Then she's going to stop smoking, kind of. We're going to get a lot of smoke on our faces because of the exhaust leak. You got the hood?
Yeah, I'll get the hood. You got the trunk?
I got the trunk. That's that clicking sound you hear is that little handle, so you can't get locked in. All right, I'm gonna. Oh, not good enough. Fiberglass hood. Trying to find the latch.
Got it. Ford.
Whatever. He just made fun of Fords. All right. I still have that keychain that I got when I said I was going to get a Mustang and attach a key to it. And I've been seeing a lot of... Did you just hit the wall door?
No, absolutely not.
It sounded like it.
You're hearing things.
Uh-huh.
I think there's a little smoke back there, Will.
There's that.
Just don't crash on that buckle. Got some added smoke there.
Neighbors must love me.
Oh, absolutely.
She's got power.
Does it feel like it's back?
It always felt good. I'll know if it's thumping when it idles. Well, I got on her.
You got on her.
All right, I guess you're doing. All right, let's see if she idles. Let's see what happens. This stop sign.
No, it's still there. That almost feels worse.
Still smoking.
See some headlights in it.
All right, I'm gonna get on her.
Let's go.
Put in your seatbelt. It's a little late, but what are you doing? You shooting the ceiling? Oh, bad video. You gotta be conscious of the camera, my friend.
I'm trying, Will.
You're in director school now. I know you're like, oh, I already know more than you will. Yeah, it's okay.
All right, let's see.
It's okay. We're doing a burn. It's actually planned. Nothing's wrong.
What are you doing a burn? What do you mean you're doing a burn?
The car.
The car. I put some fluid into the cylinders trying to blow out this fuel injectors. There's no issue. It's just my car.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Bye. Is that still on? What are you doing? What are you doing? A burn? It's not easy living with me. Man, that exhaust leak's worse. You hear it?
You cleaned it out.
Is that what happened?
I think we cleaned out the exhaust leak.
Damn. You're hitting the brakes for me?
No, I'm bracing myself so I can steady the camera.
Yeah. Yeah, the exhaust leak's worse. now we got to do the exhaust leak. It can't be the mist. Could it be the mist? What are you doing? You just shooting the back window?
Yeah.
Boring video. Boring video.
I'm showing the smoke.
There's
Or lack thereof.
Yeah, exactly. There you go, Rich.
Now, are we in there enough now?
Oh, I don't really want to change these gaskets, but we're going to have to do it. The 600R Mustang is getting more and more expensive as we go. But she's got power. Doesn't she have power? We were flying, right?
I thought it felt pretty good. Of course, I'm not in this every day, so I'm not sure.
I'll let you drive it. I'm going to watch. I'll show you that I can do a burnout in second gear. Watch.
Oh boy, here we go.
Watch this.
Wait for him to go by. Yeah, okay.
You're shooting too much head, man. Bring it down. No.
Yeah, huh? Nice comedy reel for you. Do it.
Look at a trash bag for a window.
Do it.
All right. First burnout. Second burnout. See? I can burn out in second gear on a V6. Is that normal?
You can chirp it in a second.
No, I could have kept going if I wanted to. I really want to lean into it, but I didn't. I just wanted to let loose and just show you I can do it in second gear. I mean, we're flying. Are we not flying? She's got to be running better, though.
But you keep talking.
You are such a director. You got control issues, my friend. You think
I have control issues. I have control issues.
People recognize their faults in other people. That's why you think I have control issues, because you have control issues.
So are you admitting that you do too?
Oh no, I'm just an example of control issues. I don't have them. And I see the car. All right. Check. Seafoam complete. Injectors seem to be working well. She's running a little smoother. She keeps getting better and better. And now we are going to deal with the exhaust leak and move from there. And who knows? Oh boy, bad shaking. Bad shaking.
Bad road.
Yeah, did you
Gotta talk to that Salem County Road Department about this.
You just said Salem County on video.
And?
No, you're right.
Salem County Road Department.
Everybody knows my address anyway.
Road Department.
All right. We're good. We're good. All right. Mission accomplished, Rich. Nice work.
Yeah, keep it between the lines.
They don't know that. They're looking at you.
I know.
All right. Seafoam, good. Exhaust leak. Well, it's obvious now, so now we got to deal with it. And it was much worse than we thought, because we put the seatbelt on right